trying to, put new sheets on and such. You know how it is. People who have animals. Any animals. I'm sure dogs act nuts too, don't they? Do they? Please confirm. When you change your sheets, do dogs freak out too, or is it just a cat thing?